Hi and welcome to this video in which I'm going to talk about function of beauty products that I've been using for 4 months. I have a fully formed opinion on them. Initially I didn't want to wait this long until I would make a video on them, but it's actually good that it passed 4 months. It's plenty of time for me to have formed an opinion, which I will present to you in this video. The products are running low. I have them here next to me. What I got at the time is shampoo, a conditioner, shower gel, and I forgot the mask actually. I also have a mask here. So first I got the shampoo and the conditioner with the mask, and then after I thought it thoroughly, I actually need some shower gel and body lotion. I thought, well, I'll just get it from Function of Beauty, which I did. So the unboxing footage that I'm going to show you in the first impression with how they arrived only contains the shampoo, conditioner, and the mask, because that's what I got first and filmed. But yeah, just so you know, I can also give you my opinion on the shower gel and the body lotion. If you haven't heard about Function of Beauty yet, or if you did hear but you haven't yet purchased anything from them, it's basically it's a really nice concept because everything's personalized to your hair, and the newest thing now is also your skin. They have stuff for skin as well. I haven't tried yet. So when you go on the website, they have a system where they ask you a few questions about your hair, and then they form the profile of your hair. Mine is wavy, medium, oily. So my hair is naturally wavy. When I let it air dry naturally, it's wavy. It's not completely straight. It's not very thick. I don't have a lot of hair on my head, but not a small amount either. So I would say I have medium consistency. I don't know how to put this in English, though. I have medium type of hair in the sense of it's not very thin, but it's not very thick either. And it's oily. It's oily at the roots. So that's the profile of my hair. And the goals, it also asks you what do you expect for these products to deliver to you, and you can pick 5 from those options there on the website, and I picked anti-aging, oil control, shine, strengthen, and volumize. And the fragrance that I picked is nude peach, and the strength is medium. I didn't want it to go with the strong smell. I could have also picked no fragrance at all, but I picked nude peach. You have options, about 4 or 5 options of fragrances, and some of them you can only unlock if you become subscribed, so they can deliver these products to you every 2 months or every other month, I don't know. But I wanted a one-time delivery. I wanted to only try them. I didn't want to subscribe to anything. And also I noticed the delivery is £5 if I don't subscribe to have like a monthly kind of thing. It's £5 if I only want one-time purchase, you know what I mean. It says here on this leaflet that I just read to you, it comes with it, it says Function of Georgiana, and that's another thing you can personalize. You can put any name you want on the bottle, and you could go with, you know, function of, I could have put Function of Queen Georgiana, or Function of Banana Hammock, or Princess Consuela.
Princess Consuela Banana Hammock.
But I went with my name. How boring is that? Now I'm going to show you how this box arrived, what it had in it, and all the other bits and pieces. This arrived from Function of Beauty. Today I have a cold, so I won't be making a video right away, sadly, even though I would love to. Here it is. Ooh. Up close and personalized. Vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate and paraben-free, sustainability-focused, customized in the USA. Gonna read these in a minute. I have some stickers here. Oh, so cute. I can put them on shampoo, I think, because I've seen in other videos that's what you do with them. And this is what I've got. Oh, I completely forgot I got the hair mask as well. So I forgot which one is which. I got the smallest amount because I didn't know if I'm gonna like them. I didn't want to go for really big ones. So this is the, oh yes, it is the shampoo. 237 ml, 8 ounces. And a lavender color that I picked for my shampoo. This is the conditioner. Again, 237 ml, 8 ounces. Really beautiful color. I like how they look. And it's a plastic container. This is metal, I think.
I have some pumps for each of them, which is great. I like the fact that they come with the lid first. I don't know why I like that, but I do. And the mask, a nice minty green color that I've picked. 222 ml, 7.5 ounces. And this is plastic as well. And again, the metal thingy. And this is the empty box. This is just to hold them all together. I'm really curious if I can sniff these. I have a cold at the moment, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sniff it, to smell it. Oh yeah, I can smell. Yay! Yesterday I lost my sense of smell, and today I have it back, even for the shampoo, because I could smell the coffee today, but I wasn't sure if I could really smell this as well. And I can smell it, and I don't know how to describe it. Look at this lid. It has like a seal type of situation here. I'm gonna put the pump in. I managed, but this got stuck in the bottle a bit and I had to pull it out. Let's see how this one smells. Ooh, smells really like papaya or something. Smells how it looks, this color. I don't know what else to say about that. Maybe I'll have some sort of description of the smells. I don't remember what I picked, to be honest. I remember that I did pick the smell of them as well as the color and you know, other bits and pieces. I'm gonna tell you more about that, but I don't remember the smell that I picked for each of them. Let's see how the mask smells, and of course I cannot do it with one hand. And this is how this looks like, minty green. Let's see how it smells. Smells very similar to the conditioner and the shampoo, maybe. I'm not sure. I think I must have picked the same smell for all of them. I'm not sure. What a muppet I am. It's just here in the front. It actually says the fragrance that I picked, nude peach, and the strength of the fragrance I picked it to be medium, not strong and not fainted either. And my goals for achieving was anti-aging plus oil control, because I have oily hair at the roots. Shine, who doesn't want shine, right? Strengthen and volumize. I always like some volume. And my hair's profile is wavy, medium, oily. This is what it says here when you open it. It says good hair day, and then it describes a bit about each product. I couldn't help myself, and all the stickers, I've just put them on the bottles here. They look really cute. It's very therapeutical in a way, because it's very calming when you do this. When I do this, at least. They're very cute. Very cute stickers. Makes it all different looking in the shower there. This is the mask. I've tried to put them according to the colors here, just to go a bit, you know. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I am very obsessed. I like them. Now we'll see how they perform, if they really are better than other shampoos I've used, what they do to my hair. I'm going to tell you my thoughts after a while of using these products.
I'm going to start speaking about the shampoo. This is how much I have left in. You only need a little bit, first of all, to create a lot of lather. Overall, I really do like this shampoo, and it does do what it claims. For me, it makes my hair shiny, bouncy, soft. I do like the feeling that I get when I use this, but just like with any other product, your skin, your hair gets used to the product if you use it on and on. So therefore, it's not as strong of an impact anymore. I feel my hair got used to it a bit. You know, it's still nice and shiny and bouncy and it feels good. But that's the reason for which I do alternate with the other shampoo that I have in my shower, the Lush one. I have a video on that. I'm going to post it here if you're curious about that. That's another really good shampoo. It's not about that one, the video, but I'm just saying what I alternate with, so I can not let my hair get used to one product for too much. And also I get bored if I use the same thing for like months every time I wash my hair. So yeah, I do overall like this shampoo. You don't need much, creates a lot of lather, love it. The conditioner, I love it more than the shampoo, I must say. You only need, again, a little bit, and it immediately makes my hair soft and manageable. You can feel it, like I can feel it on my hand, you know, that the hair is immediately softened up by this. I don't know how else I can describe it. I just love this conditioner. It says on the leaflet to shake the products each time you use them. Oh my god. Okay, sorry for that. This actually broke because I dropped it in the shower and this broke, and that's why when I shook it now it flew away. Basically, you're supposed to shake every product before you use them. It says that on the leaflet, but I've only seen that today when I was reading the leaflet for this video. So I've been using this for 4 months and I haven't been shaking them, which is very bad of me. So just so you know, shake these before you use them a bit. Give them a little shake. I only have this much left from this. And I can say, actually it's a bit less than the shampoo. I can say I've been using this almost every time I've been washing my hair since August. Really good conditioner. I really like it. Even if I wouldn't repurchase shampoos or shampoo, you say, other shampoo, is that correct? From them, I would definitely purchase conditioner because the conditioner formula is amazing. I mean, yes, what can you say about the conditioner too much? You only need the conditioner to soften up your hair length, so it's just good enough to be managed and detangled, and so you can comb it, right? That's what I expect from a conditioner. But yeah, this does it immediately. You can immediately feel it, and it smells so good. I think it's my favorite product amongst all of them. I would say the conditioner, the formula. Try it if you haven't. I love it so much. Now I'm going to speak about the mask, which I only have this much left. By the way, I've picked the color of these products. I don't know if I've mentioned it until this point. I've picked even the colors for each of the products. So the purple, all the colors that you see I picked. And you can only pick one fragrance with each order. But this is also peach. It smells a bit different than peach, though, I would say. It smells like peach, but it has a bit of a citrusy kind of switch to it, I would say. It's a really pleasant smell overall anyway. They all smell fantastic, and the mask, basically, it's also very good, and it makes my hair soft, manageable, everything that a mask should do, it does. But I like the conditioner formula more than the mask. It's very thick. I like the thickness in the texture wise. I love this texture. It's thick and really soft and like luxuriously feeling, it feels luxurious. Oh, I love to smell it. But I like the conditioner more when it comes to, like, I don't know, I feel like this should have been the conditioner maybe, and conditioner should have been the mask, because that's how immediately you can feel the difference when you put conditioner on compared to the mask. I mean, even the mask, but I don't know, I just like the conditioner more. How soft it gets my hair immediately, the conditioner. But overall, the hair products, I really like them, but in the order of preference, conditioner, shampoo, a mask, I would say. Now I'm going to speak about the shower gel. I use this every time I would shower from August. So for 4 months, I've used this every time. Therefore, I only had this much left until here, like almost low. I couldn't pump it out anymore. So therefore, I added water. That's why it's so liquidy. That was creamy before, but I added water to be able to use it all, and I've shook it, and I can still use it very well. It immediately creates a lot of lather on my sponge thing. So you don't need much. I only take a pump of this when there used to be no water in here, just a pump, and it would be enough to create a lot of lather and just wash all over my body. Now with this, I just squirt like 3 times because I'm thinking it's water in there too, but it's still so much lather to this. I really like the shower gel. I've also just found the leaflet for the shower gel and body lotion because that was a second order. First I've ordered the hair products and then the shower gel and the body lotion. And for these 2 products, I've picked fragrance lavender in also medium strength. And I also said that the skin moisture level is very dry. So these are formulated to help my very dry skin. They do smell like lavender. I'm not a big fan of lavender fragrances, to be honest. I don't know why I went with that. I thought that the body lotion, I would keep it next to my bed, and lavender smell, it's usually good for before going to sleep, and I would use that on my hands or on my legs or whatever, arms. But yes, this creates a lot of lather. I really like the shower gel. I would definitely repurchase the shower gel as well. This is here body wash, actually, not shower gel, but I've put stickers all over. It looks really cute. They all have the stickers. They come with the stickers, as you've seen. I think that's a really nice touch. I like the fact that you can pick any name you want. So anyway, love the shower gel as well. Creates a lot of lather, lasts a long time, and I would definitely repurchase from them with the shower gel as well. And moving on to the body lotion, it's white in color because I picked no color for this. I thought it goes on directly in my skin. I don't know, I could have done that with the other ones, but I was tempted by the lovely pastel colors that they have that you can put in the products. This is white. It smells like lavender, obviously, because that's the fragrance I picked for the body wash and this. But this has more of a sweet type of scent. It's not just lavender. It's lavender with with vanilla. It just dripped on me. Actually, that's perfect because oh no. Yeah, that's not perfect. It's just a gooey thing. Let me shake this. I think it's flying all over the place. Oh yeah, it's very luxurious feeling, this as well. It's very thick, and let me smell it again. It feels very soft. I do love the body lotion, and it does help with my dry skin. This smells a bit sweeter than the shower gel. It's not just lavender, I feel, even though it says it's lavender, but I can smell a bit of more sweetness in there. Like lavender and a little bit of vanilla or something. I know, something sweet in there, you know. I really like the smell anyway. It doesn't linger strongly on the skin. This is the strength medium, in the sense of how strong the fragrance is. I picked medium for the body lotion shower gel as well, but it does make your skin soft. I mean, my skin soft, and I really like it a lot. So my overall thoughts on these products, I love them so much. I actually think they're fantastic. The ones that are my favorite is definitely the conditioner. I do like the shampoo as well, but the conditioner is the first, and the shower gel creates a lot of lather. But then I can make up my mind because I do like the body lotion as well. It's really soft. I like them that much that I've reordered more. I got more. I've ordered the shampoo, the conditioner, again in 236 ml bottles. I didn't order the biggest size because I also want to test the new ones that are gonna come, because I picked a different fragrance. I don't remember how the fragrance is called, but it's a new one for the holidays now. I think it's bubbly champagne or champagne bubbly or something like that. I can't wait to sniff that. And besides the shampoo and conditioner, I also ordered the body lotion and the body wash, and this time these ones are in a bigger bottle. So the body lotion and body wash are each 473 milliliters. I'm very excited to receive them. This time I've picked the shampoo in pink, baby pink, and the conditioner in blue, a really light kind of bubblegummy blue. And the body lotion and body wash are going to be just no color, basically. Please do like my video if you thought it was useful, and subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content, and activate notification bell, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!